Are you missing the Accessibility Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist, and I'll help you fix this system error right now. Before we start the Accessibility Library Manual Guide, check the description for a professional diagnostic utility. This is the Accessibility Library, the .NET Accessibility Assembly. It provides the managed hooks required for assistive technologies, screen readers, high-contrast tools, to interact with .NET desktop applications, critical for the stability of the Windows Narrator. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. If Accessibility Library DLL is missing, it indicates a problem with your Windows system image. I suggest running sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a surgical repair of your core operating system files. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Accessibility Library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Manual intervention with Accessibility Library DLL is technically dangerous because it risks overriding newer, secure system libraries with older, vulnerable versions that lack modern security patches. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. Streamline background processes by reviewing the maintenance utility linked below for Accessibility Library. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for Accessibility Library today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support